Okay, so today I'll show you how you can play a Warframe on your MacBook. It's a bit tricky because you need to connect to your iPhone. There is no native support for Warframe in macOS. So, I have a workaround because, when you connect to your iPhone, it will be in a small screen, far away. It's not readable. It's not good. You see Warframe is here, and I have the, in accessibility zoom, there is an option, use scroll gesture with modifier keys to zoom. So this one, if you hold the control and if you do this scrolling gesture while holding the control button, it will zoom in the screen. You'll see how handy it will get when I start the game. Also, you need a DualSense 5 controller. I know this is getting a bit complicated. It's not straightforward, but you need a PlayStation controller basically because on macOS, I mean on MacBook, even if you connect your iPhone and start a game, it won't. You cannot play it with the keyboard and mouse. It's not working. So you need a wireless controller that is connected to your iPhone, not to your MacBook. So this is very important. So I'll start the game now. It's the largest view. If you don't enable the zooming option, it will look like this, small. But you'll see now. As you can see, it's official Warframe, the game. And I'll just hold the control while the mouse is in the middle of the screen. I'll zoom in. Yes. Now I'll move the mouse. And with my controller, you see, I have full control. The image quality is not there. I know it's a bit blurry, let's say, but it's official game. It works and you can play it. I've been playing this game for the past 4, 5 years. I really love this game. I was saying, there is no native support on macOS, so I cannot play anymore. But then I found this workaround. I tried on my MacBook, and you need to change your MacBook settings to prevent auto screen lock because you're controlling it with the PlayStation controller, so your Mac thinks it's inactivity. So you need to move your mouse. I forget it at 5 minutes, I guess. So I just moved it. But as you can see, I think it's playable. If it's good, let me know in the comments. But I think it's okay. You can play it. It's not the best, in terms of the graphics and everything. But I think it's playable. It's snappy, it's instant, no lag. I don't know. I'm using my phone is iPhone 16 Pro Max. Maybe graphics or the performance could be different in different models. It could be different in, let's say, iPhone 11, and it could be different in iPhone 17 Pro Max, maybe. I don't know. But I think regardless, it will work stable if you tweak the graphic settings a bit. My graphic settings are all cranked up. It's all of them are in the highest level to make the game look best possible, as best as possible, as good as possible. And yeah, I think it's playable. There is other options if you don't want to go with the, crossover or other methods. You can play this game with GeForce Now, a cloud computing service on macOS. But I also tried it, and yeah, I didn't like it. Image quality is obviously better than this. So obviously it's better than this image quality on GeForce Now. It's 2K, I guess. I tested it today. It's 2K, but there is lag. because it's, cloud computing. My internet is quite fast. It's 100 megabits per second. It's a Fibernet, I mean, and there is a lag. It all depends on your upload speeds rather than download speeds. So yeah, I think this is right now, currently, this is the best method. And I just want to, you know, shout out to developers of this game. Please, please bring macOS support. I'll buy 5,000 platinum if you bring it. I I I give you my promise. I'll buy 5,000 platinum, and I have two, three friends who also uses Mac. I'll just make them start to this game as well. They'll also buy 5,000 platinum. Whatever you want. Just bring the support to the MacBook. You guys are already supporting iOS, so it won't be that difficult to translate it from Windows to macOS, but you're translating it from iOS to macOS. It should be pretty straightforward. Just bring it in, and I'll buy 5,000 plats. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. This is the Warframe on macOS. It's native. I just wanted to show you guys, and I started to invite only session, but it works completely, fully, without any lag or anything. All you need is an iPhone uh, and a dual sense controller, PlayStation controller. It's a bit tricky. I know it's not straightforward because this game is not working on the keyboard and the mouse of MacBook. So you have to have PlayStation controller or any other controller that works with iPhone. It doesn't matter if it's PlayStation or Xbox. I don't know if Xbox works on the iPhone, but you just need a controller to play the game. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll finish this round and quit probably, or maybe play one more hour. We'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Oh, can I stop? Holy. I can't stop the video. Okay, I can't stop the video. Let's see. Yep. Goodbye.